Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Precious Now. In today's video, you are going to get all the detailed information regarding UPPSC Recruitment 2020. These are the basic details that the candidate have to take note of. The organization name is Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission. The post name which it offers is under different categories like UP Police Radio Service, Assistant Professor, Assistant Architect, Lecturer and a Research Officer. The total vacancies which are open under this post is 328. The starting date is on 24th of November 2020. The closing date is on 24th of December 2020. Please take note of the dates especially because you might not lose them. And the mode of application is through online. The selection process will be conducted under a written test and also an interview as well. The job location, if you are qualified, you will be placed in Uttar Pradesh, and if the candidates have to know more about this particular post, or if you want to know about the detailed information or the latest information regarding these posts under UPPSC, you can check out the official website which is mentioned here on the screen, and it will lead you directly to get access of all the details and the information accordingly. These are the post-wise vacancies which are mentioned here. Name of the post are these, and the number of the posts which are opened are to that side of the screen. Number 1 is UP Police Radio Service, and the posts are only 2 for Assistant Professor in Government Degree Colleges of Uttar Pradesh. There are 128 vacancies open, and for Assistant Architect in the Public Works Department there are only 3. For Assistant Professor in different specialities for general recruitment there are 61 vacancies open. For Lecturer in Government Homeopathic Medical College of the state, 130 posts are open, and for a Research Officer there are 4 posts. The education qualification for each post varies, and it is as follows. Candidates are requested to please follow the screen and the details which are mentioned here so that you might not lose any of the information which is given here. For the UP Police Radio Service, candidate must have a bachelor's degree in electronics or electronics telecommunication or electrical engineering from any university established by the law of India, or you can also have an equivalent degree, or you can also have a master's degree in the subjects of physics, applied physics, in wireless communications, and please make sure, as mentioned here, physics, applied physics in wireless communication is considered as a compulsory subject. Also, even this comes under the certificates which are only recognized by the government of India, with an equivalent degree also is applicable. But please make sure that your certificates should be recognized by the government of India. For Assistant Professor in Government Degree Colleges of UP, the minimum second division marks in relevant bachelor's degree also with a master's degree is needed. For Assistant Architect in Public Work Department, bachelor's degree in architecture is necessary. For Assistant Professor in different specialities like general recruitment, you can have these qualifications as mentioned here. MD with anesthesiology, MS with anesthesiology or an equivalent qualification as recognized by the Medical Council of India. Now, every certificate that you are presenting there should be recognized under the categories also by the government of India accordingly. For the Lecturer in Government Homeopathic Medical College of the state, post-graduation qualification in homeopathy is necessary. For a Research Officer, postgraduate degree in economics, sociology, public administration, mathematics, statistics or political science are considered. Now let us see the age limit, because for each post the age limit varies differently. So for UP Police Radio Service, the age limit is as of 21 years. As for Assistant Professor in Government Degree Colleges of UP, it is 21 to 40. Assistant Architect in Public Works for 21 to 40 again. Assistant Professor in different specialities, 26 to 40. For Lecturer in Government Homeopathic Medical Colleges of the state, 25 to 40. And for a Research Officer, the candidate should be between 21 to 40 years of age. The salary scale is as per mentioned here on the screen. UP Police Radio Service carries rupees 15,600 to 39,100, and for assistant professor in government degree colleges, you will have a pay scale between 15,600 to 39,100, and assistant architect you will have the pay scale as the same, 15,600 to 39,100. And for assistant professors in different specialities, the academic level, the initial pay is going to be 68,900, and for a lecturer, it depends on the matrix level that you are applying upon, and depending upon your matric level of education, you would be paid from 56,100 to 1,77,000. So, and then for a research officer, it is between 15,600 again to 39,100. And also please see the grade pay which is mentioned to the end of the screen, so that you will have a clear and a detailed idea accordingly. For the application fees, please note of the categories that you belong to accordingly. For a general OBC and EWS, the application fees is 105. The scheduled caste and scheduled tribe comes under rupees 25, and for a PH, it comes under 25 rupees again. Candidates, if you want to know how to apply, you can check the link which is mentioned here on the screen. Also, the same link will be placed in the description box below, so you can head down to the description box so that you will get direct access of the link which will lead you to the application form directly. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video is helpful for you all. If you have any friends who are going through this particular post, or if they want to apply for this particular post, you can share this video with your friends, and so that this will be helpful for them as well. If you have any doubts, or if you need any clarification regarding any of these posts, you can put it down in the comment section below, so that we will answer your queries soon. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos and placement videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.